So let's make a dish out of veggies. This is cabbage. I've taken 1 cup. Capsicum half. In this I have the sunflower, sesame and groundnuts. Sesame seeds 2 spoons, sunflower 1 and groundnut 1. A small onion, 2 green chilies and curry leaves. Okay. So let's make patties out of this. Something different than usual food. I'll show you how to make these out. So in a kadai, I'm taking oil. I'm using coconut oil, Patanjali. So I just added jeera and little turmeric to it. Now I'll add these curry leaves. So once this is well cooked, I'm adding salt, little more salt. You can adjust according to your taste at this point of time. You can even add chaat masala, jeera powder or cumin powder. I'm just leaving it plain because I like it this way. So this is done now. I'm gonna add the powder. I've added 3 tablespoons of this and I'm gonna grind it now. So this is done now. I'm gonna add the powder. So this is how it is looking. I'm gonna make patties out of this. So first dip your hands in water, then take this and make it a patty.